Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to create a group on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to chat with friends or collaborate with teammates, setting up a group is super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Now, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a comment icon. Go ahead and tap that. This will take you to your direct messages and group chats. Once you're in the messages section, locate the new group option. This is the button that kicks off the process of creating your own group chat. Tap it to move forward. Next, it's time to select the friends you want to add to your group. You can easily scroll through your list of contacts and choose the ones you want to invite. Tapping on their names will select them, and you can add as many people as you like. Once you've selected your friends, look at the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see a Create button. Tap it, and voila, you've just created a new group on Discord. And there you have it. You're all set to start chatting and sharing with your group. Enjoy your conversations, and don't forget to explore all the other amazing features Discord has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.